Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes the connection between your access point, router, or cable modem and the internet is broken. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Type ipconfig space, /flushdns. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.